like that?
We are Alabama bound with an overnight boondock and an Elks Lodge. Megan, are you?
Yeah, we're going to church.
Church on a boat. That's cool. Bowie, you're the star. Muff, you ready to go for a boat ride? Loodles?
Here's our old cabins, though.
Oh yeah, look at that. So all we need to do is dig a tunnel like right here.
Well, we got. All we did this with was just millings. You know, you ground everything out when they're repaving.
You having fun?
Yeah,
This is so much fun.
I love it here.
This is straight up beautiful.
Yeah. So we went to church today on the boat. Came back to my cousin's, who's a builder. He's got a bunch of property here on Lake Martin, and he had to meet some people to show them some of it. So we went from boat to mule.
Mule ride, that was
Mule
awesome.
ride.
He's got like 80 something acres.
Mm-hmm.
Bunch of lots on the lake. I think they're sold out, but he's got other ones that you can have access to boat ramps and tie-offs and stuff like that. And this lake is awesome. It is so much fun here. The dogs love it.
Where are they?
Yeah, so they're right here. They're chilling.
They're pooped.
So they're like boat dogs now. Yeah.
Dogs.
Well, don't make people sick, but so this is fun. Yeah, after this, we are on our way out west. That's going to be a long trip. We're going to be doing lots of overnight boondocking. So we'll share that too, because that's fun. You know.
We'll be boondocking in a Bass Pro Shop on another day.
Yep. And then some Cracker Barrels, and then we're going to end up doing something. I think it's called the Wall. I don't know, but we'll have to research that. And talk
The
about
Wall?
that. Yeah, you'll learn about that in a little bit.
Wall drug?
No. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, I guess he's just springing new stuff on me here
That's
too.
right.
That's what he
Why
does.
not? That's what we do.
Yep.
So
Fluid.
Yeah, so this was a nice stop after we hit St. Augustine, which was a lot of fun. St. Augustine was a blast. That place
Yeah.
is never a bad time.
Yeah, that video will drop next week.
Nope.
Oh
not
wait,
next
no.
week.
You will
I'll
have
have to
already
edit
seen
that
it.
out.
You will have
There
already
she goes,
seen it.
putting the cart before the horse, and I'm like the horse pulling the cart. Literally. I drive you everywhere, don't I?
He does.
Nabbit.
He
How'd that
does.
happen?
Takes care of me.
Mm-hmm.
Here's our little bungalow that we're saying goodbye to. We had to come check on it. And we actually park over here when we're here. Nice spot, full hookups. So, we had to back in over here and do the empty our gray tanks and fill up some fresh water, get on the road. We're going to be going to Bass Pro Shop in Memphis. Hi, babe.
Yeah. What's up?
And so, that's that. Here we go.
All right, Megan's gonna help me dump. It's her first time. So let's see how this goes. I have no idea. All right, babe, go get that sewer hose on the other side over there. I'd go through this way, Meg. I'd go that way. There's holes and dirts over there, so check that out.
It's just a hose, like one of the
Yeah, it's like red, orange, and black. You'll see it over there. It's no big deal. It's just been sitting over there. All right, come on. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, whoa, don't swing that around. That's disgusting. That's a sewer hose. Ew.
Going out west.
No. Oh my God. Give me that
What do you
thing.
want me to do with it?
Nothing. You just, no, gross. You're not, no. Oh my God, Megan.
Yeah, but we're going out west.
We are. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get on the road.
Daddy
I know. All right.
and all our family.
I'll take care of this. You just go chill out.
Are you sure?
If you want.
I got gloves.
No, we'll do it next time.
You made me put gloves on though.
I know, that's okay. All right. Here. All right. So, peace out.
Peace out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Ding.